Some people walking way out there. I think this would be a little bit better if it was nighttime, as far as being able to find birds in the trees. Their feathers are really good at hiding their heat signature. But yeah. Let's do some iron rainbow. I found the birds. They're not in the trees. They're all out here on the ground. Let's change that color. We'll do black hot. Maybe it'll help. White hot. Let's try white hot. Got it in bird mode. You can kind of see them there. Like I said, their feathers are really good at trying to hide their heat signature. But yeah, they're all out there on the ground. Just pecking away at the grass. Yeah, that didn't help. That kind of helped. Kind of get their little signatures there. Let's try playing mode, see what that does. Nothing. Alright, jungle. Jungle's not too bad. Let's change the color. Let's go back to plain. That just zooms us in. City. Birds. See all the birds. But yeah, there we go. Let's try this. Change the eye color here. Let's go at warmer temperature. That really didn't do a whole lot. I'm gonna try to focus this ring too, see if we can get a better picture. I think that's the best. We're gonna get it right there. Back to city mode. Lots of birds. They're just all out here on the ground. Cool. Well, that's it for the rest of this ThermoMaster X3 camera. We don't want to do that. And